Hello. To get videos that you can use that you won't have any copyright issue about, go to your Chrome browser. Use Google Chrome. Go to your Chrome browser and type in youtube.com. youtube.com. So when you open your YouTube, make sure you put it in desktop mode by clicking on this arrow in a red circle pointing up. Click on desktop site. Okay, now it is in a desktop mode. In the search bar here under YouTube, not where you typed youtube.com, in the search bar. Now let's say you want to type something about sports, like Man U match. Man U match. Okay, you search. So it will bring some videos for you about whatever it is you have typed in the search bar. So you can see filter that is up here, filters that is up here. Click on it. These filters, click on it. Click on filters. Okay, now can we see update, type, duration, features? Under features here we will see Creative Commons. Creative Commons. These Creative Commons are videos that people used to upload on YouTube that other people can download and make use of it. So let's say I want to pick this first one. I'll just pick this first one. I'll just pick this first one. Okay.
Para entrar en contacto con la pelota, para jugar.
If I like the video, I can download it, then probably add some things to it using InShot or whatever before I will now upload it as mine on my own YouTube channel. And I have shown you a video of how to download a video to your YouTube to your gallery. To show you again, click on this share button. Click on the share button, and here is the link to the video. Just copy the link, then you go and paste the link in your y2mate.com. So you open another browser like Chrome again. Okay, let's copy it. You copy it, then you go to your Chrome browser, open a new tab and search y2mate.com. So the link you have copied, you paste it into this search bar here, and then it will bring up that video that you want to download. Then you can click on the download button. Any of these ones you can download it depending on your preferences. You download it and you are good to go. So you can now add some things to it. Maybe you want to add some words, you want to put some things, you edit it with your InShot or whatever, then you can upload it as yours on YouTube. you won't have any copyright issue when you use these Creative Commons videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.